Junior high 145, Victor Young, Colton Price,
climb the body, climb up.
On deck, Matt 5.
There you go. No, break it down, break it down.
Junior high 190, Lorenzo Rowley, champion, Brad Mortensen, turn, in the hole, Matt 1. In the hole, 190. Ty Kennison, Rockwall, Austin Taylor, Pleasant Road. In the hole, Matt 5. In the hole, Matt number 6, 210 pounds, Wyatt Strauss from Pleasant Road. Jay Winder from Snow Canyon. In the hole, Matt 6. Middle school, we have 3 matches left to fall for the junior high. And then we'll be starting the middle school at Wade.
Hey, wizard!
In the hole,
you don't need that, you don't need it.
John Wageman, Weaver, Boston, Mountain View. On deck, Matt 1.
Hey,
in the hole,
whistle,
Matt
let's go.
3, 190 pounds. Brad Mortensen, Kearns. Jeremy Benedict, Payson. In the hole, Matt 3. In the hole, Matt number 1, 190 pounds. Austin Taylor, Pleasant Road. Connor Chambers, Skyview. In the hole, Matt 1.
You gotta move! Come up!
We need an Alta coach to report to the head table. An Alta coach to the head table.
Come out, swim out, swim out, swim out! Half. You gotta ride him here. Ride him tough.
Come on, Seth, break him down.
On deck, Matt number 7. Davis from Payson, Young from Snow Canyon.
Seth.
On deck, Matt number 2. Bone from Mount Chambers from Skyview. On deck, Matt number 1. In the hole, Matt number 7. 10 pounds. Roy Nash.
Finish.
Roy Nash, Eisenhower. Benjamin
take him down now.
American Ford. In the hole, Matt 2. On deck, Matt number 5. Andrew Du Bois, Weaver. Trevor Jenkins, Pleasant Grove. On deck, Matt 5. On deck, Matt number 3. Matt number 8. Middle school, 100 pounds, Josh Hare, champion. Walker Van Tassel, Payson. On deck, Matt number 4, James, champion. Vanderpool and Bandit. On deck, Matt 4. On deck, Matt number 2. Pinell from Mountain Crest, Coach from Mountain View. On deck, Matt 2. On deck, Matt 1. In the hole, Matt number 4, middle school, 100 pounds. Justin Bush, Snow Canyon. Eli Curtis, Mountain Crest. In the hole, Matt 4. On deck, Matt 7. Van Valkenburg, Rockfall, Nash, Eisenhower. On deck, Matt 7. In the hole, Matt number 2, 119 pounds. Kyle Moffett from Payson. Aiden Martinez, Box Elbow. In the hole, Matt 2. Mortensen, Skyview.
Let him get that, Seth.
Northside. In the hole, Matt 7.
Break him down, Seth. There you go.
On deck, Matt number 3. Kirkland from Weaver, Frost from Mountain View. On deck, Matt 3. On deck, Matt 6. Ramsden from Mountain Crest. Wynn from Pleasant Grove. On deck, Matt 6. In the hole, Matt number 3. Middle school, 125. Colton Allred, Mason. In the hole, mat number 7, 145 pounds, Cody Stevenson, Team Extreme. Micah
Seth, look at the applause.
from Mountain View. In the hole, mat 7. Remember, table help. Make sure that you pay attention to whether the consolation or championship